Okay, next topic. We should remember one more. Every natural number. So natural numbers start with 1. So every natural number n greater than 1. Natural numbers all start with 1. But here n should be taken as greater than 1. Should be expressed as n is equal to capital N. So capital N, what we are taking, greater than 1. Expressed as capital N is equal to P1 N1 P2 N2 P3 N3 so on Pk N3. So here what is n value? It is greater than 1. Means it should start with 2 to infinity. So what is P1, P2, P3? P1, P2, P3 are nothing but prime numbers. What are these? Prime numbers. And N1, N2, N3 are nothing but whole numbers. So it belongs to whole numbers. So capital N should be equal to 2 power N1, 3 power N2, 5 power N3, so on. So 2, 3, 5. Here P1, P2, P3 are prime numbers. Okay. And it's based on this only we are going to solve the problems on HCF and LCM. After writing the number in this form only we are going to solve the HCF and LCM. Now let's go for solving HCF and LCM problems.